staring down a financial obligation can feel a bit like trying to navigate a dense jungle without a compass, can it? Especially when it's something as specific as repaying a PayPal working capital merchant cash advance. You might be asking yourself, how exactly do I get this done efficiently and painlessly? If that thought has crossed your mind, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to demystify the repayment process for your PayPal working capital advance, breaking it down into simple, actionable steps. Let's first set the stage by understanding what PayPal working capital truly is, because its nature directly influences how you repay it. It's a merchant cash advance, not a loan. This distinction is vital. A traditional loan involves interest, fixed repayment schedules, and often a credit check. A merchant cash advance, however, is an agreement where you sell a portion of your future sales at a discount. In PayPal's case, they advance you a lump sum, and in return, they take a fixed percentage of your daily PayPal sales until the advance, plus a fixed fee, is repaid. This means your repayment isn't a bill you manually pay. It's an automatic deduction. This automatic deduction is, for many, the most attractive feature. It means you don't have to remember to make payments, and the repayment amount fluctuates with your sales. On a slow day, less is deducted. On a busy day, more. This flexibility can be a huge relief, especially for businesses with variable income. However, it also means that understanding the mechanics is paramount, so you don't inadvertently run into issues or feel confused about your outstanding balance. So, how do you actually repay it? The core mechanism is straightforward. A fixed percentage of your daily PayPal sales is automatically directed towards repaying your advance. This percentage is agreed upon when you take out the advance. It could be 10%, 15%, or even 30%. It depends on your specific agreement. Every time a customer pays you via PayPal, that agreed upon percentage is immediately applied to your PayPal working capital balance before the remaining funds hit your main PayPal balance. You don't have to do anything. It just happens. Now, while the primary method is automatic, there are nuances and actions you can take to manage and even accelerate your repayment. Let's dive into those. Monitoring your repayment progress. The first crucial step is to consistently monitor your repayment progress. PayPal provides a dedicated dashboard for your working capital advance. To access this, log into your PayPal account. This might seem obvious, but always start here. Navigate to the Working Capital section. This is usually found under the Money or Business tab, or sometimes there's a direct link on your dashboard if you have an active advance. Review your summary. Here, you'll see your original advance amount, the total amount repaid so far, the remaining balance, and a breakdown of your recent repayment activity. You can see the daily deductions and how they've chipped away at your balance. Regularly checking this dashboard gives you peace of mind and allows you to track how quickly you're progressing. It also helps you understand the impact of your sales volume on your repayment speed. Understanding the repayment mechanics beyond the automatic deductions. While the automatic deductions are the primary engine of repayment, there are a few other important aspects to consider. Minimum repayment thresholds. PayPal working capital typically has a minimum repayment requirement every 90 days. Even if your sales are extremely low, you'll still be expected to have paid back a certain amount, e.g. 5% or 10% of the advance amount, within that 90-day period. If your automatic deductions haven't met this threshold, PayPal may initiate a larger deduction from your PayPal balance to cover the minimum. This is important to be aware of, especially during slow periods, to avoid any unexpected debits. Always keep an eye on your 90-day progress on your dashboard. Voluntary additional payments. This is where you gain more control. Even though repayments are automatic, you're absolutely allowed to make extra payments at any time. Why would you do this? Perhaps you had an exceptionally good sales month, received a large payment from a client outside of PayPal, or simply want to clear the advance faster to reduce the overall fee or free up your PayPal sales percentage. To make a voluntary payment, log into your PayPal account. Go to your working capital dashboard. Look for an option like make an extra payment or pay more. Enter the amount you wish to pay. Confirm the payment. This payment will be deducted from your available PayPal balance. If your PayPal balance is insufficient, you might need to add funds to it first or link a bank account. Making additional payments can be a strategic move. It reduces the outstanding principal faster, meaning the total fee you pay remains the same, but you finish repaying earlier. It also frees up that percentage of your daily sales sooner, giving you full access to your PayPal income. Impact of refunds and disputes. This is a less talked about but critical point. If you issue a refund for a PayPal transaction that has already contributed to your working capital repayment, that portion of the advance is not given back to you. The refund impacts your current sales, meaning future deductions will be based on a lower net sales figure. Similarly, if a dispute leads to funds being held or reversed, this can affect the total sales available for deduction. It's important to manage your refunds and disputes efficiently to avoid unexpected slowdowns in your repayment progress. Strategies for faster repayment. If your goal is to repay your PayPal working capital advance as quickly as possible, here are some strategies you can employ. Increase your PayPal sales volume. Make regular voluntary payments. Optimize your cash flow. Minimize refunds and disputes. What happens when you've repaid in full? Once your PayPal working capital advance and the associated fixed fee are fully repaid, a few things happen. Automatic deductions cease. Your working capital dashboard updates. Eligibility for a new advance. This eligibility for a new advance is often a significant benefit for businesses that regularly need access to flexible funding. Having repaid a previous advance successfully demonstrates your reliability to PayPal, making future access even smoother. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.